Hi guys, I'm just at the cafe here in Arnville on the Hume Highway. I've just ordered this, sausages, eggs and bacon. Have a go at the size of this. 3 eggs, shitload of bacon, 2 sausages, and of course toast for $20.50. Bloody good value. I'm really looking forward to eating this. Oh, look at this, guys, runny eggs. I love a good runny egg. Yeah, this is might be a struggle to eat this, I think. But anyway, I'll give it a go. I'll tell you what, guys, I'm struggling to eat all this. This is massive. My eyes are bigger than my belly, as they say. As you can see, can't eat it all. It was bloody beautiful, but anyway, thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you next time.